As early voting gets underway tomorrow for this year's primary, some big news tonight for the 2024 elections. The Justice Department announcing today a new lawsuit against the state of Arizona.
It is tied to voting restrictions imposed by the recently implemented House Bill 2492. Elliot is working this story. He's live in the newsroom with more on what this means and why the Justice Department decided to sue Elliot.
Yeah, Yetta and Nicole, representatives from the Department of Justice say that House Bill 2492, it's a violation of the National Voter Registration Act. They say that the additional voter registration requirements are, quote, unlawful and unnecessary.
We know that the House Bill 2492 was unconstitutional.
Arizona House Democratic leader Reginald Boulding isn't surprised the Justice Department is suing the state of Arizona.
One is designed to keep people who are citizens from actually registering to vote, and two is designed to continue the big lie and this conspiracy regarding our voting rights not being secure.
Under House Bill 2492, originally sponsored by Republican Representative Jake Hoffman, starting in 2023, some voters will be required to submit proof of citizenship on a federal voter registration form. That could be anything from a passport to a birth certificate. Chandler trial lawyer Tom Ryan believes that would impact around 200,000 registered voters in our state.
It would affect indigenous people, recent immigrants that have qualified, elderly, disabled people that don't have the requisite identification that they're calling for in this law.
In response to the Justice Department's lawsuit, Attorney General Mark Brnovich said, quote, in addition to free rooms and transportation for those illegally entering our country, the Justice Department now wants to give them a chance to vote. I will once again be in court defending Arizona against the lawlessness of the Biden administration. But Ryan believes the state of Arizona is fighting an uphill battle, as the Supreme Court already shut down a similar proof of citizenship attempt toward voter registration back in 2013.
If the Supreme Court applies principles of stare decisis, which means we don't change the law without some new and important and different information, then the 2013 ruling should stand and this law should be overturned as unconstitutional.
We reached out to Representative Hoffman, who sponsored that House Bill 2492, to get his reaction to the lawsuit, but we did not get a response. Of course, the end result of this lawsuit, it could potentially have big impact on the 2024 presidential election. Live in the newsroom, Elliot Polikoff, Arizona's Fan.